In a world filled with artificiality, nature remains our greatest teacher. Every fruit it grows, every herb it nurtures, holds wisdom perfected over millennia. Yet we often ignore its lessons, reaching for synthetic substitutes that harm our bodies and the planet. What if we lived by one simple rule? Don't take it if nature doesn't make it. Choosing whole foods, natural remedies, and sustainable materials honors Earth's balance and our own well-being. Nature provides, heals, and sustains. It's time we listen, return to the roots, live in harmony. At BeTheShift, don't take it if nature doesn't make it.